Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create shadow in image in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see create a shadow in an image. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now select from picture. Now click from open. Now open the picture. Now keyboard press Ctrl A. Then again keyboard press Ctrl C. Then open the home menu. Now keyboard press from Ctrl V. Now you can see this image in create shadow. Now go to layer menu option, then click. Now select from blending option. Now select from drop shadow. Now shadow in distance and expand and size. That it's. Now click OK. That it's. Now you can see create shadow in image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment.